This one is called Oye Como Va. Oye Como Va. Oh, that's Hawk. You know when you hear a name like that, okay, that's what's going on here. All right, so Mezcal, followed by some Reposado Tequila, and then he comes behind that with a Bourbon, and then he follows that up with some Demerara Syrup, okay? Get that in there, some Corazon bitters. Beautiful. And then a little bit of critter bitters. Ice, stir, ladies and gentlemen, and guess what? That's okay, but let's sexify it. Let's get a nice cube here. All right, watch this process takes place. This is always cool to watch, okay? This when it happens, and then you take the cube out. Beautiful, and now you have a perfect sphere. Drop that in, pour in our mix, and you know it drinks sexy when you do this. You get a little lemon twist, okay? And look at it. When you put a clothespin on a drink, that says something. That's mixology right there, okay? Clothespin on my drink. And there you have it. What's it called?
It's the Oye Como Va.
Say it so they understand what it is, man.
Oye Como Va.
My boy know one line of the song. One line. And your pronunciation probably off anyway. Just one more time. All you Spanish speakers out there, please check. Okay? Spell check this shit. Go ahead. Say it again.
Oye Como Va.
Okay, the song. Go ahead.
Oye Como Va.
I don't know. I don't think they're saying, oh yeah, let me do a comb over. I don't think that they're saying that, okay? Sound like it, but that don't sound right. All right? Anyway, look here. So how'd you come up with this?
Well, we're doing it's my version of a Mezcal old fashioned beefed up with Reposado Tequila and Bourbon. Hit it with the.
So it's Reposado.
Yep.
Mezcal.
Yep. Bourbon.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We're going hit it with the Corazon bitters, so that's cocoa nib, coffee, and hot pepper.
And this is a
Demerara syrup.
Okay, so how would you make this?
This you take a turbino sugar and then 1-to-1, 1 cup of turbino sugar, 1 cup of water.
Sounds like a little simple syrup.
Yeah.
Hold on, I will mess with the drink. I can pour some more in here, right? But then other people want, no, don't do that, Sky, no. Okay.
But also,
no, you should see behind the camera. Okay, and then he got killed just now, just with eyesight. Anyway, okay. Y'all can check up my boy, okay? A lot of you girls are there wondering, what can I do with my hair next, okay? Live dangerously, okay? Right here, all right?
It's a good look.
Seriously.
It's a good look.
You like, I'm a little short to be a runway model? Not with this shit, all right? Check out my boy, Cocktails by Hawk on IG. Ask him about his drinks, his grooming secrets, everything. I've begun using them. If you notice a little bit of sprouts coming up here, okay? We can be big later on. All right. Stay tipsy, friends. I'm growing my shit out.